everyone, welcome to Automatic Posting Software channel. Today I will show you how to auto-scrape data on Google Maps. First, open the software and all you need is type the keyword of the destination you want to scrape data. I will scan data of jewelry, clothes shop, and restaurants. Next step, you just need to enter search area and I will choose search in New York and click start. The software will auto go to the Google Maps and scrape all the data of keyword you have typed for you. Very easy, right? After the software scan done, you can export into Excel file and save on your computer with full of information like name, phone number, website, rating and address also. This software helps you save time in searching for data on Google Maps. If you're interested, contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp I leave on the video. Thank you and see you in next videos.